Let's talk about Affirm. Is it known for transparency and flexibility? It lets shoppers split purchases into monthly payments with clear terms and no hidden fees. Merchants love it because Affirm covers a wide range of price points, from smaller everyday buys to larger, high-ticket items like electronics or furniture. The company partners with major retailers, and its financing terms can stretch from a few weeks up to a year or more, depending on the purchase size. What makes Affirm stand out is its clarity. Customers see exactly how much they will pay before they check out, including interest if it applies. There are no late fees, no compounding interest, and no surprises. This upfront honesty builds trust with shoppers and reduces cart abandonment. For merchants, that means higher conversion rates and larger average order values. Affirm also integrates smoothly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce, making setup quick and painless. Another strong point is Affirm's ability to handle both interest-free and interest-bearing plans. Merchants can customize which type of financing they want to offer. That flexibility appeals to businesses selling higher-value products because customers can choose a payment plan that fits their budget. Affirm also gives merchants insights into customer behavior, helping them understand how financing impacts sales. Now, let's talk about Afterpay. Afterpay built its reputation on simplicity. It splits every purchase into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks, with no interest as long as customers pay on time. This structure makes it incredibly easy for shoppers to understand. They know exactly what they owe and when they will pay it off. For merchants, this simplicity translates into faster decisions at checkout and more completed sales. Afterpay is especially popular with younger shoppers who prefer short-term financing and want to avoid traditional credit. It works well for fashion, beauty, and lifestyle brands, places where customers make frequent purchases under a few $100s. The approval process is instant. Customers can start using Afterpay right away, even on their first purchase. Merchants often see an increase in repeat purchases because users become loyal to stores that offer it. In terms of integration, Afterpay connects with major e-commerce platforms and in-store point-of-sale systems. The setup is easy and payments are guaranteed to the merchant upfront, which means there is no risk of loss. Afterpay handles collecting customer payments over time. Its checkout experience is fast and designed to keep shoppers moving smoothly through the buying process. In the end, both platforms help merchants grow by removing barriers at checkout. Affirm is all about flexibility and financial transparency. Afterpay is all about speed and simplicity. Both can boost sales and customer satisfaction, but the best choice depends on your audience. If you sell higher-value goods, go with Affirm. If your store focuses on fast-moving consumer items, Afterpay is your best bet. Either way, both are powerful tools for North American merchants looking to offer modern payment flexibility that keeps customers coming back.